It's Crypto Bro here with the Crypto Bro Show. Welcome back, my friends, to another hot video. Today is Thursday, March 20th, and in today's short, quick video, we'll be checking out crypto to see what's happening. But before we dive in too deep, I do have to hit you nerds with this nice little legal disclaimer. Alright, guys, remember this channel is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. It is a part of educational content, and you should always consult a professional for legal advice. Once again, my friends, this is not financial advice. So as you guys can see, everything's pretty much trading sideways over here. We got Bitcoin going for 83,000, Ethereum going for 1,900, XRP 241, Binance Coin holding steady at about 621, Solana 127, Cardano 71 cents, Dogecoin 16 cents, and Tron 23 cents. So guys, if you ask me, right now we're in the accumulation phase where crypto is going to be trading sideways for a while. As you guys can see, there's some sideways movement over here. Let me kind of draw this out. It's going down, it's going up, it's going down. We're going to be trading sideways. That's my professional opinion over here. And at the end of the day, guys, this is a good thing for you guys that are serious about crypto, because we've had some phases like this in the past where, as you guys can see, Bitcoin didn't do too much price wise, and the next thing you know, it kind of broke out over here. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin, it can do this, guys. It's done this in the past. Next thing you know, it's going to have some huge movement, right? We've seen this before in the past, and I think we'll see it again in the near future. So guys, hold steady with Bitcoin. I still think it's a pretty good asset to be buying. If we look at what's happening in the world right now, guys, there's a lot of good news, guys. There's Pakistan over here. They're planning to legalize Bitcoin and crypto. So this is good news, guys. You know, I was talking about this in another video that I made, and yeah, we were going over everything that Trump did, guys. You know how Trump's doing everything pro crypto for the good old fashioned United States of America, and I just said to myself, other countries are gonna see what the United States is doing, and they're gonna copy the United States, right? Because when the United States does something, other countries they also like to do it as well. So guys, this is good news for crypto right here. I saw this other article as well. 2 new possibilities that could send Bitcoin to 200,000 and beyond. So guys, you know, Bitcoin's now trading for about 82,000, but under the right conditions, it could fly to 200,000 or more, guys. So guys, you know, there's a lot of things that could happen. There's this other article over here. Why the Bidget CEO believes Bitcoin's next stop is 200,000. All right. So at the end of the day, guys, I think a lot of these big institutional investors and a lot of these big whales, what they're doing, guys, is they're kind of like manipulating the price, right? Because they want to accumulate as much as possible. Because if when Bitcoin hits these numbers, you know what I'm saying, like 200,000 a coin, when this happens, what that's gonna do to the price of Bitcoin, guys, is it's gonna send it into like a buying frenzy. Everybody and their cousin, if they don't have Bitcoin, they're gonna be going to Coinbase and they're gonna be buying Bitcoin, because next thing you know, the next stop 300,000, the next stop 400,000. People like to buy when stuff goes up. So at the end of the day, guys, I think right now crypto is being manipulated, especially Bitcoin, by the whales and all that, because they want to be buying, guys. They want you guys to think that the market's going down while secretly they're accumulating. Michael Saylor and all these big whales like the Winklevoss twins, all these guys are always buying more. So guys, at the end of the day, you know, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. But Bitcoin looks like a pretty solid investment, guys. And if I was trying to put somebody on to you know, cryptocurrency, and if they were like, hey, crypto bro, how can I make money with this cryptocurrency stuff? I'm a total newbie. I would just tell them this, bro. I would tell them, listen, click that link in the YouTube description. It's going to take you to Coinbase. You can buy Bitcoin there, Solana, Ethereum, all the cryptos that are solid projects. You know what I'm saying? So try to stay away from some of these meme coins, because unless you're like a professional trader, guys, a lot of these meme coins will end up wrecking you. And a lot of these will be a scam as well. So at the end of the day, guys, there's good news for crypto long term. There's more and more countries. They plan to legalize Bitcoin and crypto. There's a lot of possibilities that could send Bitcoin to 200,000 and beyond. And there's a lot of CEOs that firmly believe this is going to happen, guys. If you ask the CEO of Coinbase, his name is Brian Armstrong. He was at the meeting with President Trump. He believes Bitcoin could easily be worth, you know, in the millions, guys. It could go into the millions. So at the end of the day, guys, we are still early to this thing called Bitcoin. There's still a lot of money to be made. And if you just look at this as a whole, the crypto market cap is worth 2.6 trillion. Compare that to the other market cap of the world. These other market caps are worth 112 trillion. So if they took just a little bit of that money, took it from this market, placed it in this market, and brought in some of the institutional investors like BlackRock and all these big time guys out there, guys, crypto could absolutely send it. You know what I'm saying, guys? So at the end of the day, guys, if you haven't bought some of these cryptos like Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, Solana, guys, do yourself a favor, man. Do some research. Find the ones that you believe in. You guys know we're big on BTC on this channel. We also believe in other projects as well. XRP, great team. Solana, fantastic team as well. So guys, do yourself a favor. Click that Coinbase link in the YouTube description. If you haven't already bought Bitcoin yet, if you haven't bought XRP yet, Solana, it's all available on Coinbase, guys. And when you use that link, it is an affiliate link. So it's going to help out the channel, but it's also going to help you out as well. You're going to get an additional like 20 bucks worth of Bitcoin for free as long as you make a qualifying purchase. So guys, do your own research, but from what I'm seeing over here, guys, we got more and more countries that are pro-crypto. The United States of America, we now have a pro-crypto president. Pakistan is doing it. There's a lot of possibilities that could send Bitcoin to 200 G's and beyond. So at the end of the day, guys, do your own research. But I'm feeling pretty good about this thing called Bitcoin, especially if you zoom out of the daily and zoom into the yearly chart. Once again, guys, check this out. There's not too many investments that are going to be beating Bitcoin. So at the end of the day, guys, do your own research. But check this out, guys. Check this out. 204% in 2 years. Compare that to the world's best stock, which is going to be Apple by market cap. As you guys can see, that's Apple over here. Apple, if you want to put your money in Apple, let's see, let me redo that. Pull this up over here. All right, guys, you would have only made 56% on your money. So, guys, at the end of the day, Bitcoin's hot. You are still early. I would just be buying up crypto, guys. That's the only thing I'd be buying up. Crypto bro, signing out.